In the annals of aviation history, one aircraft stands tall, a symbol of human ambition and technological prowess, the Concorde. Born from the minds of British and French engineers in the 1960s, the Concorde was a product of Cold War Europe, a testament to post-war unity and a race against the Soviet Union in space and supersonic flight. The project's inception was met with skepticism, as many questioned the need for such a speedy aircraft. But the allure of breaking the sound barrier was too enticing for the British and French governments to resist. The Concorde, a sleek, delta-winged marvel, took its first flight on March 2, 1969. It was a moment of triumph, a beacon of hope in an era of political and technological uncertainty. However, the road to supersonic flight was not without its challenges. The Concorde's design, while innovative, was also its Achilles heel. The aircraft's engines, designed by SNECMA for the French and Rolls-Royce for the British, were incredibly powerful but also incredibly loud. The Concorde's sonic boom, a byproduct of its supersonic speed, was a source of controversy. Critics argued that the boom would disrupt wildlife, the elderly, and the peace of small towns along its flight path. Despite these concerns, the Concorde continued to soar. On January 21, 1976, it set a record by crossing the Atlantic in just over 3 hours. The speed and luxury of the Concorde made transatlantic travel a dream come true for the wealthy and the jet-set. However, the dream was short-lived. On July 25, 1977, a French Concorde crashed after takeoff from Paris, killing all 109 passengers and 9 crew members. The accident led to a grounding of the entire fleet, and the Concorde never fully recovered. In the end, the Concorde's legacy lies not in its commercial success, but in its technological innovation and the daring spirit of its designers. The Concorde was a symbol of the Cold War era, a testament to the ambition and ingenuity of mankind in the face of adversity. Despite its flaws, the Concorde will always be remembered as a symbol of human progress, a shining example of what can be achieved when nations come together to push the boundaries of what is possible. In the twilight of its existence, the Concorde made its final flight on October 24, 2003. The aircraft, once a symbol of hope and ambition, was retired, its engines silent, its wings still holding the spirit of the age that birthed it. The Concorde, a marvel of engineering and design, will forever be etched in the annals of aviation history, a testament to the human spirit's insatiable hunger for exploration and speed.